Drew McIntyre versus Cody Rhodes set to take place at Saturday night's main event for the Undisputed Championship. AJ Lee hasn't been on TV because she has been on a book tour. I'm sure we'll see her soon. Kurt Angle says Triple H is doing a hell of a job on creative. I agree. Let me know if you do. Ric Flair says WWE tried to take his name while he was dying. He's not dead yet, so please don't take it. Sol Ruca has to vacate her title. Best of luck to her. Hopefully she's back soon. Mustafa Ali, his TNA contract is set to expire. Will he see him on the main roster? Breaking news, Braun Strowman shuts down rumors of returning to WWE part-time. Ricochet says Samantha Irvin will come back to wrestling when he says so. And Tony Khan says Britt Baker's AEW return is hopefully very soon. Austin Theory, in my opinion, is probably going to join the Vision. I think they have big plans for him. Chris Jericho shuts down WWE rumors, according to his close friend. And Paul Heyman allegedly sent fake reports to wrestling media to bury talent.